Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Balance Group Modern Manufacturer. We are from Balance Group. I'm Jacqueline. The place where I'm standing now is the front gate of our production site. How large is it? Our factory? Look at that! As far as we know, Balance Group have couples of factories in Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Jiangsu. Each of them concentrate on different kinds of products. Now we are in Jiangsu Qidong. The whole factory has 39,000 square meters. Nowadays, it developed into a very large and mature production site. Our wonderful vehicle lifts are produced right here. I want to show you guys our most proud lift machine showroom. We have strong power in R&D. We provide all kinds of vehicle lifts. They are all independently developed by our researchers. As you can see now, we always serve our customer with unique, patented, and innovative design. Do they look lovely? Yes? Great! Now I'm sure you will enjoy all the great introduction of the products made here and the other production side of Balance Group. Where I am standing now is a super busy workshop. In here, we have auto bending machine for two-post lift column. The machine works here ensures best quality and precision of bending operation. The precision can reach up to 0.5 mm. With 100% CNC control, the highly automation level guarantees the efficiency and consistency of the finished products. Now, let's see the whole operation video. Now we are moving to auto welding area. This place is for welding machine. It can ensure high precision during work. The quality of the finished products is very high. The consistency and reliability of our welding capacity make Balance Group famous around the world. Currently, we have totally 18 welding robots, and the robot welding coverage reaches 95% of post lifts and 70% of scissor lifts. Now I'd like to show you some of the products we made. Come with me. Please take a close look to the weld scene. It's quite neat and bright, almost shining. For the perfect welding effect, our customer response is very good. Before assembly, power painting is the last stop for most of work pieces. Here we have two paint coating lines with a capacity of 4,000 sets post lifts and 2,000 sets scissor lifts. With power recycling and electrostatic coating system, increasing 60% of the working efficiency, we have won tremendous recognition of the smooth coating surface among our customers. Where all work pieces and chassis are ready. Now it's time for assembly. Only qualified products will go to the end for packing. If you want to learn more information about us or our products, please directly contact with us. I'm Jacqueline from Balance. Thanks for your special visit. Please keep following our live studio. More wonderful products are waiting for you.